childish. You won't find it better than this. Just let go if you leave. Just let me know so the closer you.
So for SpongeBob, we need a paper, need a pencil, eraser, ruler, and some colors. We will first start from the head of the SpongeBob. It will be all wavy and it will be in shape of a rectangle. We can also say square because as the name suggests, this is the head, and then we will go down and we will make the body of SpongeBob, the feet, the legs, and then the feet. Here we go, and we may making the sandals or the footwears, and then we will be making the hands for the character. There you go, we're making fingers out of it. And another hand, these are the arms, and this is another hand that we're drawing. Finger. And did you also mention one thing? I just noticed that it has 4 fingers. Like we have 5 fingers, but the only difference is it has 4 fingers. Now let's make some eyes. For the eyes, make sure that you are in the center, and then you start the first eye. Eyes are very simple, you just have to make a circle out of them. Then the nose, and then his laughing face. He'll have his teeth popping out, and his tongue is visible, and then they are his eyes. Okay, and now let's do some detailing. He's wearing a nice tie. There you go, this is the tie. Now let's make some socks. Socks are done, and there we go. Now it's time for coloring. For coloring, I don't want to say much about it, but I just want to give you one tip, that always first make the boundary. Always, whenever you have to color, make a boundary out of it and then color. The added advantage of this one is the color won't go out. This is just a little trick which I always follow. Okay. Yep. His hands, legs, doing some detailing on his face. Okay. Yeah. There, his feet, socks. It's almost getting completed. little time. And now this is optional. Although I like doing the sketching, but you can also leave this part. It always looks good without sketching also, but yeah, this is my choice. I'm just using a little Sharpie pen in order to do the outlining of this one. I just think if I do this, it will be more prominent, I would say. Yeah, so. And now it's time for some eyes. Eyebrows, and there you go, SpongeBob SquarePants.